Hey, Mark the Meerkat here with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. Today's 6-minute trade was on RGTI. That's right. Here was the setup. It was a high base, and it was sitting here riding along this line around 1365 area. So I set a trade just above that, let the market come to me, and what happened next? Pop, and there it goes. It did pop up here, and I got in at 1369. I am long on RGTI. And look at that huge volume come through as well. All right, so let's see what happened there. Next few minutes, boom, 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 boom. Now it's high basing up here at 390. So I had a 1% attached stop way down here, and I'm going to pull my stop up here to 1379, just under the 8 EMA here. And away we go. Let's see what happened. And very next minute, it just slammed down, went right through the 8 EMA and stopped me out for 0.7% in 6 minutes. Then look what happened after that. It started to fall. And let's see what happened after that. Whoa. Bam, bam, bam. It just kept falling. So that's the way it is, you know. So this was just a quick trade, but it was just one of a few trades that we had in the Grok Day Trading chat room this morning. And take a look at what these trades were this morning. These were ones posted by I'm Mark the Meerkat, or Mark the Mentor in here. I'm trade 4 and trade 8 here. I did have a 2.3% trade also on PACK. But look at some of these trades. Look at Francis here, 13% trade there on RNAZ, and then several other trades. So for the entire room, we were at 24% trading today, and that was in the first 1 hour of the market. That's right. You can join us for free. That's right. You can join us for free if you can be in front of the markets between, let's say, 9:15 and 10:30 Eastern time. You need to be in front of the markets in order to be a day trader, but you can go to groktrade.com, and right here, up here, it says to the day trading chat room. And you can read about it here. And again, we just sign up here for, it says 6 weeks free trial, but hey, you can come join us for a while. And you can, again, this is primarily for Grok graduates, those who've been through our mentoring program. So they're in there trading. We're calling out trades together and trading together as we move along. And I'm in there mentoring people as we go. Not giving financial advice, but giving coaching advice on their trading and their trading rules. So come join us at groktrade.com. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that it's, hey, happy new lunar year here. It's going to be the year of the snake. Trade well, and may your winners